CCTV
Manus nam da ki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda be ke MBBS Henry Kyntiew e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy e pi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na gabenda ka neat
Ka jingalang ba jong ka North Eastern Council ka balalong hanong ba Shillong ya ka bala penya daw menteri katnat kampo yeng kari u Amit Shah kala Thaw ya ka high level task force da ka babu Ahmad ya ka Thong ban Kyntiew ki prat ligi jilla ha ka than chatai lami ngi jong kari India ya ka ni la pentep do menteri rang ba ka jilla kon dot ke sangma hau kerwa bala pha shikila pathai ku bor ha ka South Trek ujilli arja pendriu hadien balawai ka jingalang u menteri rang ba ulaya thu ba ka Thong jong ka high level task force bala kenthop ya baro prangot ki menteri rang ba jong ki prat ligi jela ka jing thmu kalau man Kyntiew ka rap karyang ka kam jingok kai perthai ki jing tai ki project ki bahe bat ka jing Kyntiew ya ki kamila kai sports.
Today we had the 73rd plenary session of the Northeast Council, which is chaired by the Honorable Home Minister, Shri Amit Shah ji. And in the session, our Honorable Union Donor Minister was also present. All the governors of all the 8 states of the Northeast and the Honorable Chief Ministers of the 8 states were present today. And all the officials from different states and different central government ministries were also present. During the course of the session, there were different aspects of policies that were discussed. And I'm very pleased to state that the Honorable Union Minister and the Honorable Donor Minister had constituted national high-level task forces headed by different chief ministers on different subjects that were important for the Northeast. For example, agriculture-related task force, tourism-related task force, infrastructure-related task force, sports-related task force. And all of these task forces have given their presentation today, and they have given a report and the way forward in which the entire Northeast and the different states can work together to push the different agendas that are there, and how, rather than working as individual states, they can work as a united team for the entire Northeast. And maybe for the first time we are seeing this kind of a policy direction being taken by the Northeast Council, which is something that many have been speaking for a long time. So we are seeing that thought process today finally actually fructifying. And NEC, from being just a funding agency today, has become into a policy agency, and an agency that's creating different thought processes for the Northeast and the different states in the region. And it was a very productive meeting, and now we look forward to actually seeing the reports being submitted by these high-level task forces being implemented in the next 1 year. And that is the direction that the Honorable Home Minister and Donor Minister has given to each of the Chief Ministers who heads one respective high-level task force. And we hope that we will see a lot of positive results, as it will be collaboration between the states of the Northeast and a coordination between the central ministries for Government of India, and a mechanism of making sure that they work together to achieve the common goal.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.